Click the Labwares menu on the left sidebar. Registered Labware appears as cards. One click on a card and the Labware is ready to use. Labware not in the library can be registered manually with +Add Labware. Fill in 7 fields, from basic information and dimensions to shape, image, and technical drawing, then save. The Labware is permanently added to your library. Search by manufacturer, product name, or catalog number. Combine filters across 5 dimensions to find the Labware you need quickly. The key to replacement is the top latch. Detach and attach by hand. No tools required. Once mounted, select the new pipette on the Protocol Designer page. The first page of the Protocol Designer, the Module page, is where optional modules are added. Expand your workflow with the shaker, cold plate, and ODTC modules. We have covered the library, external Labware registration, search and filters, pipette replacement, and optional modules. For more guides, visit the Support-Software page. The next episode introduces Green Button Go, our lab automation scheduling software.